Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to sign out of Zangi. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application and registered my account. Now let us simply look at how to sign out. Well, the process is quite easy. At the bottom right, you can see the settings icon right here. Click on it. And as such, once you do, you will be redirected to this page. Well, from here, as you can see, there are lots of options. But right now, all you guys need to do is simply click on your profile name right here. Just below your private number, you can see your profile name. Click on it. And guys, that is it. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, from here, you can simply edit it, set a password, or simply sign out. Right now, all we want to do is sign out. So I'm simply gonna click on this sign out button right here. And that is it. Well, do note that in order to sign out properly, what you guys need to do is set your password. Once you have set your password, all you guys have to do is simply click on sign out and again give your confirmation. And guys, that is it. That's how you sign out of Zangi. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.